Hey guys, today we're talking about the use of bold color and design in your project. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here you can see we're in a new kitchen we just finished, and there's some really bold colors within the cabinetry as well as in the coloring and the texture and layout of the backsplash tile. It's a remarkable finish, and I encourage you to take some risk when designing your project and make the space truly your own, let it reflect your personality, really make it your own home, something that you're excited about and can't wait to share with others. So when planning your project, talk to your designer, make sure that you think about the things that you love and make it truly your own space. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.